Are you interested in filmmaking but don't know where to start? Don't worry, you are not alone. With so many resources available online, it can be overwhelming to figure out what you need to get started. But the good news is, you don't need expensive equipment or a film degree to start making movies. Start with what you have. My educational background is in finance, and I graduated in finance. You see, nothing related to art. I worked in a bank and I didn't feel fulfilled at all at my job. Every day, I woke up feeling quite bad and really not motivated. So one day, I just thought, I don't want to live this way my whole life. So what could I do? I've always been interested in photography and filmmaking, but I have never practiced seriously. A friend of mine has been a photographer and filmmaker for a long time, and he agreed to share all his experiences with me. That's why I decided to start learning, practicing every day, every hour, every minute of my life. Then I started having clients for photos and videos. You too, you can start now, either to quit your job or just for your passion, if you like traveling, for example. Here are some tips on how to start filmmaking from scratch. Step 1. The idea. The first step is to come up with an idea. What kind of story do you want to tell? Once you have an idea, start writing a script. It doesn't have to be perfect, but it will help you organize your thoughts and plan your shots. Never skip this first step. The whole video needs a strong idea to convey a clear message to your audience. Take it seriously and you will see the results. Step 2. Start filming. You can use your phone or a cheap camera to start with. Make sure to focus on the story and the emotions you want to convey, not just the technical aspects of filmmaking. As you start filming, you'll encounter technical challenges. Don't worry, tell me what they are in the comment section below and I will be pleased to help you. The only thing you need to keep in mind is start filming as soon as you can. Don't wait for the perfect moment, because it will never come. So just make mistakes, learn, improve, and become a better version of yourself day by day. The sooner you start, the sooner you get results. Step 3. Get inspiration from others. One way to improve your skills is to analyze the work of others. Watch movies and take notes on the camera angles, lighting, and editing. Pay attention to how you feel emotions. Another way to improve your skills is to practice regularly. Make short films or even just record everyday events to get used to filming and editing. Every time you watch movies, be completely aware of how you feel the emotions through the angles of the shots, light, depth of field, shadows, color grading, and transitions. This will unconsciously get into your mind and you will be able to reproduce the same shots when you film your own movie. Step 4. Collaborate. Collaborating with others can also be beneficial. You can learn from their experiences and skills and work together to create something great. We all have our own way of filming, of interpreting art. Mixing your vision with other creators will broaden your approach and sharpen your creativity. Take time to build strong relationships, it can only be beneficial for you. Besides, always explore new filming skills and practice. It will always be easier and more motivating if you have someone else doing the same as you. You will motivate each other. Step 5. Be patient. Remember to be patient with yourself. Filmmaking is a learning process and it takes time to develop your skills. And the more you learn, the more you will notice that you need to learn. You will realize that there is a ton of information and skills you have to absorb in order to become a great filmmaker. And the best way to learn efficiently is to enjoy the process. Enjoy learning and practicing, and you will be surprised how fast you progress. So when you start the road to filmmaking, Don't think about making money at first, even if it's your main goal. If it's just a passion, it will always be easier for you. But if it's just to make money, you will give up soon. Do what you love and love what you do. It is the best way to prosper as a filmmaker in the long term. Step 6. Pay attention to sound design. You must not neglect the importance of sound design. The sound of the metro, of the atmosphere, of birds, everything is important. Every sound you can hear on a video will amplify the emotions you feel from it. Besides, a good audio can make a huge difference in the quality of your films. Invest in a good microphone and learn about recording techniques. Step 7. Share your work. Sharing your work will give you the opportunity to have feedback on your work. As a matter of fact, we are not always the best person to judge our own work subjectively. After experiencing a certain period of time, you'll be able to invest in a more appropriate camera gear. With these tips, you can start making movies from scratch and continue to improve your skills. Who knows, you might just be the next big thing in filmmaking. Don't procrastinate, be consistent, be passionate, and stay organized. Have a clear vision of what you want to become in the near future and where you want to be in 5 years. Don't wait tomorrow, don't wait after tomorrow, don't wait for the perfect time. And if you have to remember just one thing from this video, it's that everyone can start now. If you don't have a camera, just use your phone now. Just use it. Grab your phone, just go outside and start shooting. And if you already have a camera, what are you waiting for? Just go out now. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe to my channel and you will undoubtedly become a better filmmaker. Thank you for watching this video until the end. Tell me in the comments what you would like to see in the next video, and I see you soon.